Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So here we are in South Central Los Angeles. A little bit about the job we're doing today. We're actually in a backyard and we're putting in grass. If you're gonna put grass, do marathon sod because it's really the best that we found out there. I mean, they use it for playgrounds. Why we're installing here is because we're actually building they have 3 dogs. They're adopted dogs, and a lot of people who adopt dogs, it's the right thing to do. Anyway, we put the Rainbird sprinklers in, but originally we were just going to do a big backyard, but then we got to talking about the environment, got to talking about food security, and so guess what we ended up doing? We minimized, we shrunk the area of grass, and what we're going to do is we're actually putting in the marathon sod. We put in Rainbird sprinklers. We put this walkway from the house to the patio here with the flagstone, but we decided to go with a food forest. Obviously, you asked my opinion, that's what we should do. So we've actually got bananas, grapes, bananas, grapes, bananas. And then what we did was we decided to put a bunch of fruit trees over here on this side. So we're actually, here's some of the herbs and the veggies we're gonna do. We actually have fava beans right here. Stevia, this is inside. We have a bunch of stevia seeds. Come and check out what this is consists of. So we got the flagstone path here. We've got fruit trees, so no matter how small your property is, and there's always room for a food forest. We're gonna have a lot of fruit trees here. We have in our beautiful marina here, because we want something beautiful. They can put a chair out here in the middle and just kind of blend in with their veggies. And then all this is gonna be vegetable garden here. We put the Rainbird Copper Shield drip irrigation to this, and there's the valve right there. So one's gonna be for grass, one is gonna be for drip irrigation. So we've got pollinator plants out here, we've got lavenders, we've got salvias. So all this is just a great idea. I'm doing this video just to give you an idea of what's possible. So we've got an apple tree here. This is the mini Fuji apple. It's the dwarf Fuji apple. Guava trees, peach trees, citrus. Great. We didn't know what we were going to do here when I originally came. I thought it was all going to be grass, and then we got to talking. The homeowner's like, food security is such a big thing. So think about it. Next time you're going to do a lawn in your backyard for your dog, think about including food with it too. It's the right thing to do. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability and permaculture, food forest, think Enviroscape LA.